Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to add thumbnail in YouTube video and your phone. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. So I have created a thumbnail, so now I am adding to one of my video. So first of all, open YT Studio app and your mobile phone, and then open the video. Tap on the video you want to. Now tap on the pencil icon on the top, and here you should have to tap on the pencil icon again on the upper left corner, and here you can see a custom thumbnail option. So simply tap on this. Now I have created this thumbnail in Pixabay, so now I want to add it to my video. So after that, tap on done option, and here tap on save. Now this thumbnail has added to my YouTube video, but at last I am telling you that how can you get this app. So for this, go to Google Play Store if you are using Android phone, and go to App Store if you are using iOS, and here in the search bar search for YT Studio, and then tap on OK, and here you should have to download it. So you can easily add the thumbnail and your video with the help of this app. So hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.